What's up, y'all? It's your girl NellaDonte, and we are here with another video. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. We gonna take these twists that's been sitting up here and transform them into this. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell your mama, daddy, auntie, uncle, and we gonna get into it. First things first, it's the next day. We got our makeup done and we ready to go, hunty. We gonna snatch this bonnet off, and these are the twists that I have. They've been up for about a week and a half, so they're not that old, but it's time for these things to come down, okay? First, you're gonna need your favorite oil. I'm using Aunt Jackie Soft All Over. Next, we are going to need our Afro pick. You already know. After this, we are going to take our oil and put it on the tip of our fingers. So we're going to rub that into our fingers and use this oil to take down our twist. This is really going to help reduce any freezing that may occur during the takedown process. As you can see, I'm twisting it the opposite way that I did the twist. Loosen it up in the middle and then work my way to the roots to loosen it up there. And it makes it a lot easier to take down as well as more defined. And this is what we working with, sis. See? Boom. And I'm going to repeat this process all over my head.
Lakey inspired. Fight.
And since this video started on already twisted hair, I know you guys may want to see my full twist out routine. If that's something that you would like to see, please leave a comment below and I will definitely make a video for y'all, because I don't want to leave out any details. I want y'all to be well informed, okay? If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and I know you see that bell. Go on and tap on that bell so you can get notifications too, because y'all definitely don't want to miss any new videos that I have coming up. I'm going to be posting one video each week, and trust me, the next one is going to be something that y'all do not expect. It's definitely going to be some heat. So this is what it looks like when we take all of our twists down. This is what it looks like from the back. Curls popping, period poo. And you could keep it like this, but I am going to take it a step further and separate each twist again just to give it some more volume. So you're going to take your twist that you want to separate and you're going to split it where it automatically feels like it's going to come apart, where it's just naturally separating on its own. And of course, we are going to repeat this all over our head. We are going to be separating each twist again. Alright y'all, so now we are going to take our pick and we are going to pick the roots just to give it some more volume. I know y'all see the difference between each side. The side that I'm picking versus the side that I'm not picking. It looks totally fuller. It looks, you know, we just got a lot more going on over there. So go ahead, take your pick and pick the roots out all over your head. And this is the finished product, y'all. Look at this twist out. It came out super defined, super moisturized. It feels great. It looks great. We cute. We feeling ourselves, okay? Thank you so much for watching again. Once again, please make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Go ahead and leave a comment too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace out.